Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we'll show you how to install the docking station on a 2014 to 23 hot spring spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, putty knife, masking tape, silicone, rubbing alcohol, and a towel. Parts you will need: 79467 docking station. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Apply masking tape to the bar top around the docking station to prevent the shell from being scratched. The masking tape will also be used to outline the proper placement of the replacement unit. Step 3. Use a putty knife or a flat metal tool to pry the edges of the docking station. If necessary, use a second screwdriver and carefully push up the docking station to create space to insert the putty knife. Remove the docking station. Step 4. Remove the IQ 2020 control box lid and disconnect the docking station from the control head interface on the motherboard. Step 5. Remove the excess silicone left on the shell with rubbing alcohol and a towel. Step 6. Install the new docking station and plug it into the control head interface on the motherboard. Step 7. Place a 3/16 inch bead of clear silicone all the way around the lip area of the docking station. Step 8. Place the docking station onto the shell opening and press down evenly for about 30 seconds to secure it in place. Step 9. Remove the masking tape, apply water to a towel, and wipe off any excess silicone left on the spa shell. Important: do not use any cleaning products containing abrasives or solvents, as they may damage the shell's surface. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.